Ever wondered how some people seem to make money while they sleep? It might sound like a fairy tale, but it's a reality for those who've unlocked the power of passive income. This isn't about getting rich quick or some secret money-making scheme. It's about creating a source of income that doesn't require you to trade time for money. Let's think about it. Financial freedom, the ability to work from anywhere, and time flexibility. These are the rewards that passive income can bring. It's not just about the money, it's about living life on your own terms. From successful entrepreneurs to everyday people, many have tapped into this strategy to live the kind of life they've always dreamed of. Just picture this, waking up to a bank notification that you've earned money overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the right passive income strategies, this dream can become your reality. But hold on, is earning passive income really as easy as it sounds? Let's clear the air here. One of the biggest misconceptions about passive income is that it's a ticket to overnight riches, with no work involved. But the reality is quite different. Establishing a successful passive income stream requires time, effort, and sometimes a little bit of initial capital. Take rental properties, for instance. They can provide a steady income stream, but they also involve property maintenance, tenant management, and other responsibilities. Or consider a blog that generates ad revenue. It doesn't just spring up overnight. It requires consistent content creation, search engine optimization, and audience engagement. So let's bust this myth. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic approach to income generation, one that requires planning, dedication, and patience. So while passive income might not be the magic money tree some people think it is, with the right approach and dedication, it can become a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. Ready to take control of your financial future with passive income? Brilliant! We're just getting started. The world of passive income is vast and ever-evolving, a realm where continuous learning and adaptation are key. But don't fret, we've got your back. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we dive deeper into this exciting world, providing valuable insights and actionable steps to kickstart your passive income journey. From real estate investments to online businesses, from affiliate marketing to dividend stocks, we'll explore them all. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And your first step? It's right here. So, gear up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey towards financial freedom. Stay tuned for more insights and solutions that will help you make money while you sleep. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments section. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.